In Lesson 4, we are going to talk about weather and weather forecasts. We will also be discussing the kinds of weather tools used to make these forecasts. To completely describe a weather system at any particular place and time, you need to describe all of its parts: the temperature, moisture, clouds, precipitation, wind speed, air pressure, and wind direction. All of these parts may interact with each other and change during a day. They may even change more quickly than that, especially here in Buffalo. Here's the notes page you are going to fill out. During this video, you'll name a weather tool and describe what it measures. A barometer shows air pressure. In some barometers, air pressure pushes mercury up a tube. The barometer here has a small sealed container connected to the dial. When air pressure squeezes on the container, it causes the dial of the barometer to move. A wind vane tells what direction the wind is coming from. It changes directions as the wind changes direction. An anemometer measures wind speed. The wind makes the cups of the anemometer spin around. Cups spin faster as winds move faster. Kind of makes sense. A hygrometer measures the moisture in the air. Some hygrometers have a pointer attached to horsehair. The hair shortens in drier air, moving the pointer. A rain gauge measures how much rain has fallen. The top of the rain gauge may be wider than the bottom. This allows the rain gauge to catch more rain when a small amount falls. It also makes measuring small amounts of rain easier. Radar can measure the winds and precipitation inside a storm. The radar station sends out energy similar to signals from a radio station. Some of the energy bounces back from objects, including raindrops. Changes in the returning energy show the direction and speed of a rainstorm. Here you see a weather map. Forecasters use weather maps to show current weather conditions and their predictions. There are many kinds of weather maps, but most follow the same general rules. The lines for fronts can tell you much about the weather now. First, the triangles or half circles on a line pointing in the direction the front is moving. Warm fronts bring warmer weather. Cold fronts bring cooler weather. Remember that fronts are always in places of low pressure. Here's low pressure. In most of the United States, fronts generally move from west to east. They often bring cloudy weather. Areas of high pressure that are away from fronts often have clear skies.